welcome back to another vlog, you guys. Hopefully I'm not like moving too fast for you guys. We are headed out on date night. I just dropped the kids off with my mom. I feel like the angle is weird or something. I'm just moving. Happy Saturday. So I just pulled up to my mom's house. We're getting ready to go to my cousin's birthday dinner. I'm just gonna ride with her. It'd be easier. I did not get to film my outfit, and my mom doesn't have a full-length mirror, so if I get to film it at some point, I will. But I'll insert a picture if not. But let me get in my mama's house. I had to stop and get her a little gift. Let me grab my drink. And I'll probably see you guys when we get to the restaurant. But I just want to check in. Happy Saturday. Yesterday, Clarence and I went out on a little date. It was just casual and low-key. So I didn't do much recording. It's been a really chill weekend. We're probably going to grill tomorrow. I'm going to ask Clarence. But yeah, I just want to check in. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, just wanted to pop in real quick. I'm back from my cousin's birthday party, and I'm about to enjoy a glass of wine. This is so good, y'all. This Apothic Dark. If you like deep reds, if you're a dry wine girl, amazing. I've been really, as you can see, enjoying this. Also, these wine glasses, I got them from Crate and Barrel for my birthday. I'm gonna leave them linked. Y'all, these are the best red wine glasses. Like, taste-wise, it changes the taste. If you're a wine person, you know what I mean? Like, you get the full aroma, the full body of the wine, and they're just sickeningly beautiful. I love them. So I just wanted to check in with y'all. It's Saturday night. Me and Clarence are actually about to watch Power. And call it an evening. I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. So today is Monday, and we had a great weekend. We grilled yesterday, but honestly, y'all, it went by fast because it started raining. So I didn't even have time to pull the camera out. But I wanted to share this with you guys. So I picked up this reusable like morning coffee mug. I got it off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave it linked for y'all. Y'all, I already love this thing. Like, I was looking for something to take with me in the morning when I drop Kaden off for school, because I always want my coffee, but putting it in my swell that I was using like when I was in the office doesn't work, because it actually keeps it too hot. Like, and it gives it a weird taste after a while with metal. This is a glass reusable tumbler, and it's by this company called Mr. Cuppy. I love it, okay? It's amazing. It does iced coffee pretty good as well. I'm not super big on it for iced coffee, only because of the sweating. So I may find a different type of like iced coffee cup. But for in the morning, quick, I need to get out of the house, but I want something, I guess you could say, aesthetically pleasing for my coffee. This is so bomb. I love it, y'all. So I just thought I'd jump in and share that with y'all. I don't know how long this vlog was, y'all, because we didn't do much this weekend. And it's just the top of the week, and we're getting started for the week. So I have work in about 2 hours. Clarence just left for work, and he just dropped Kaden off on his way to work. So it's just a normal Monday for us, y'all, but I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, I'll leave it linked below. It is everything. I really, really like it.